Shapuri Mansion, also known as Shapuri House, is a historical house located in Shiraz, Iran. The mansion was built between 1930 and 1935 by a wealthy Iranian merchant named Abdulsaheb Shapuri. It was designed by architect Abul Qasim Mohandesi and is considered an excellent example of Persian architecture during the early Pahlavi dynasty. The mansion's design features intricate stucco work, colorful stained glass windows, and a beautiful tile work which showcase the attention to details and craftsmanship of the era. Shapuri Mansion has multiple stories and includes various rooms such as the Biruni or public area, an Andaruni or private area, and an underground room called Sardab. In addition to its architectural significance, Shapuri Mansion played a role in Iran's cultural house. The house served as a gathering place for literary figures, scholars, and artists, contributing the cultural life of Shiraz during the 20th century. Today, Shapuri Mansion is a popular tourist attraction in Shiraz and a national heritage site in Iran. Visitors can explore the mansion's unique architecture and learn about the history of Shapuri family and their influence on the city's cultural landscape.
And now we are at Shapuri House that you can see at the background of the video. This house belonged to Shapuri family during and it was built during 19th century, and you can see Persian architecture elements like colorful tiles and colorful glasses like this. It has been restored lately and it is used as a museum and a restaurant. And for your information, you can see inside of the house because it is now a restaurant and a cafe. We couldn't visit both of them because we didn't want to eat something and we want to use the cafe, but it was closed. And as it is Ramadan time, it should open at 5 p.m. But I think it might be different when you are visiting here.
Vakil Bazaar, also known as Sultani Bazar, is a historical bazaar located in Shiraz. It was built in the 18th century during the Zand dynasty and is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the city. The bazaar features traditional Persian architecture and is home to hundreds of shops selling a variety of goods such as spices, rugs, handmade copper pieces, antiques, and Persian sweets. The market is a hub for merchants and shoppers alike and offers a unique glimpse into Iranian culture and commerce. In addition to its commercial significance, Vakil Bazaar is also home to several important landmarks, including the Vakil Mosque and Bathhouse. These buildings were constructed around the same time as the bazaar and are considered prime examples of Persian architecture from the Zand era. Today, Vakil Bazaar is a National Heritage Site and continues to be an important cultural and economic center in Shiraz. Visitors can explore the bazaar's widening alleys, shop for souvenirs, and experience the sight, sounds, and flavors of traditional Persian commerce.
These are the last minutes of our Shiraz trip, and we are waiting at the airport to catch our flight. As we had plenty of time before our flight, we decided to have tea before our flight to spend time and refresh ourselves.